Now you are getting the exact 2 BHK model flat of Swapnapuram Amtala phase 1. Now we are entering into the phase 1 2 BHK model flat. This is this is a project situated at Amtala Bazaar, and developer is Srijan Star Realty. You can see the living dining area, that is spacious here. This is the sitting arrangements with the side corner. It's a good portrait over here in the wall. Here you can enjoy the entire LCD portion. You can relax and sit back. Here is the LCD. This is the refrigerator beside that. This is dining area. Proper 2 BHK accommodation. You are getting a view of the model flat of phase 1 2 BHK Swapnapuram. The window is there in the living. It's pretty spacious. This is the refrigerator and this is kitchen. This is a both side granite top with one sink. They have fitted the all accessories. One big window for the ventilation, as well as the exhaust hole is there with the fan. All the utensils and kitchen accessories is there. You can make a storage like that in your kitchen. This is another storage space of keeping your kitchen ingredients. Yeah, this is basin in the living area. This is WC. It's a good bathroom, spacious bathroom area also. Ventilation along with the exhaust hole. This is another washroom for bath as well as washing machine purpose. Geyser point is also over there. This bathroom is big. Now we see the bedroom. It's a spacious bedroom with one double bed. Beautiful wallpaper is there with the wall corner. You can see the wall corners. They are providing free of cost. Yeah, it is complimentary along with the flat. It's a 3-door wardrobe. This is one big window along with the grill. Yeah, they are providing grill also. That's good for the safety and other thing. It's aluminum sliding window. You can see the storage you can use as a dressing table is the second bedroom. This is also quite good in size. You can fix a beautiful wallpaper like this in your bedroom. One big window along with the grill. One 3-door wardrobe is there also. This room is also very spacious in nature. Here now we are entering the balcony part. You can see the balcony. They have provided the grill in the balconies in the ground floor. For ground floor flats, they are providing one pocket garden, one small garden, that is, you can say, your private lawn along with the flat. It is a pretty good concept. Who are residing at ground floor will take ground floor flats. One private garden will be them for. You can access your private garden from the balcony part. Yeah, you can see the construction is going on currently. So overall it's a spacious 2 BHK. I can see they have made it in a quite good way because they have utilized the entire space very effectively and usable. There is no wastage in the flat. There is no wastage of any area of the flat. Each and every corner you can utilize. It's a project from reputed builder Srijan Realty. It's second largest developer in Eastern India. So don't wait, just check in, just get a site visit over there. You can feel the entire ambience as well as their experience center. And there is a big lake, huge lake, like 3.5 acre, 3.5 acre lake is there in their project. Thank you so much.